After we've laid the ground rules using Viewport Meta, it's time to do the actual work using Media Query. Like we said in the previous lesson, the essence of a responsive web page design is to apply a different CSS to the same HTML codes based on a different browser size. Actually, we need to make an adjustment to that statement to make it more precise. The essence of a responsive web page design is to apply different CSS to the same HTML codes based on different viewport statuses. The most commonly used viewport statuses are width and orientation. Once again, don't mix width and device width. The device width of the screen I'm currently using is 1920 pixels. If I maximize the browser window, the width of this viewport will be 1920 pixels as well. So let's start our media query study by proving that. All media query follows the same grammar rule. The @ sign comes first, then the word media, behind media a parenthesis and a set of curly brackets. All CSS properties should be put inside the curly brackets. But what are we going to put into the parenthesis? Well, the condition of the viewport. Only the condition inside the parenthesis has been met, so CSS properties inside the curly brackets will be executed. To prove our statement, we first select the body tag and set its background color to blue. Then we put an @ sign and the word media. Inside the parenthesis, we put the condition, minimum width 1920 pixel. Inside the curly brackets, we select the body tag again, but change its background color to red. This means when the viewport width is smaller than 1920 pixel, which is the device width, the background color of the page will be blue. If we maximize the browser window, the viewport width will be the same as the device width, and the page background will turn red. We can see here the experiment result has proved our conclusion. Next, let's try orientation. Orientation has two values, portrait and landscape. Portrait means width is smaller than height. Landscape means width is bigger than height. Media query allows you to set more than one condition at the same time. For example, if you want the background to be red when the browser width is between 600 pixels and 1200 pixels, then this is how you write your code. You connect the two conditions using AND. But remember, when you're connecting two conditions using AND, you must make sure there is a white space at each side of AND, otherwise your code won't work. You can replace AND with a comma. It only means one condition needs to be met.